Why is seed and soil key to understanding metastasis? Imagine cancer cells as tiny seeds trying to grow in different parts of the body. The seed and soil concept helps us understand why these seeds only flourish in certain places, not everywhere. This idea was first proposed by Stephen Paget in 1889 and remains a cornerstone in cancer biology today. It explains that metastasis, the process where cancer spreads from its original site, depends not just on the cancer cells themselves but also heavily on the environment of the distant organs they reach. Cancer metastasis begins when cancer cells break away from the primary tumor. These cells, or seeds, travel through the bloodstream or lymphatic system to reach new locations. But not all places in the body are equally welcoming. The soil refers to the microenvironment of the target organ, which includes surrounding cells, the extracellular matrix, blood vessels, immune cells, and signaling molecules. These components can either support the growth of the cancer seeds or inhibit it. Why does this matter? Because experiments have shown that cancer cells often reach many organs but only grow into secondary tumors in some. For example, melanoma cells injected into mice tend to metastasize to the lungs but rarely to the kidneys, even when both organs are accessible. This demonstrates that the microenvironment of the lung provides a more supportive soil for melanoma cells than the kidney does. In reproductive cancers like testicular or cervical cancer, understanding the seed and soil relationship helps explain their patterns of spread. Testicular cancer often metastasizes to lymph nodes and the lungs, while cervical cancer tends to spread to nearby lymph nodes, lungs, and sometimes the liver. The microenvironment of these organs influences whether cancer cells can successfully establish new tumors there. The process of metastasis involves several steps. Cancer cells must invade surrounding tissue, enter the bloodstream, survive circulation, exit into new tissues, and then grow. The soil provides essential factors like growth signals, immune cells, and extracellular matrix components that help cancer cells survive and grow. Angiogenesis, or the formation of new blood vessels, is also crucial because it supplies oxygen and nutrients to both primary and metastatic tumors. Understanding this relationship has led to new approaches in treatment. Researchers are exploring ways to modify or disrupt the tumor microenvironment, making it less hospitable for cancer cells. This includes targeting blood vessel growth or immune cells that support tumor growth. Recognizing organ-specific metastasis patterns also helps doctors plan better surveillance and treatment strategies for reproductive cancers. In essence, the seed and soil theory is vital because it shows us that cancer spread is not just about the cancer cells themselves but also about the environment they encounter. This understanding guides ongoing research and helps develop more effective therapies. Always remember, if you or someone you know is dealing with cancer, consulting healthcare professionals for personalized advice is essential. The biology of metastasis is complex, and individual cases can vary widely, so staying informed and seeking expert guidance is the best approach.